Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And today I'm sharing with you how I made this beautiful pool table, and I love it. Now the first thing, why don't we start taking stuff off of it so that you can see the bottom. But before, let's just look at it all around. Look at the sword that it has. This sword I found in a flea market, but I didn't find it by itself. There were 15 of these swords in a little metal box, and the lady was selling the whole box for $3. So I said to myself, wow, these swords go perfect in my miniature settings. So this is the sword. I'm going to put it aside here. Then the pool sticks. The pool sticks are just toothpicks. That's all that is. Toothpicks. So let's set them aside, both of them. So you got your two toothpicks right there. Then, as the little balls that you see there, they're part of broken jewelry. Beads from broken jewelry, that's all it is. So why don't we, oh, I forgot. I did glue them to the felt. The black is actually felt. And I glued the balls to it. Let's see how many balls are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, exactly what you would find on a real pool table. So let's get to the frame part. The frame part, this that you see here, that's actually from a card holder. You could use a picture frame also, but it was a card holder that I used for this, and I liked that it had a gold looking border, which was perfect for this. So underneath, of course, it needed legs, right? So I took some magnets and joined them together. So these two transparent yellow magnets, there's two there, two of the blue ones, two yellow again, and like that. So that's what I did. And as you can see here, see this transparent part? Remember, it was a card holder. So what you see on the other side is actually the black felt. But this is what it looks like underneath. You see the line here? That was a card holder. So that's how I made my pool table for my pool room. So we're placing the pool sticks back where they were, and that sword. So that's how I made the pool table. Thanks for watching.